Hello everyone, mabuhay! My name is Jaya Maika Andricoso, BSHM2 Section 1. And today, we're going to interview my older sister, Jean Mariel Andricoso, about her own understanding and knowledge about the story of Jose Rizal. Now, let's welcome Jean Mariel Andricoso to answer our 3 questions about her own knowledge and understanding about the story of Jose Rizal.
My name is Jean Mariel Andricoso. Own understanding about Dr. Jose Rizal. Who is Dr. Jose Rizal? Jose Rizal is Filipino hero, writer, and doctor. He loved his country and used his writings to show the abuse of the Spanish rulers. He wanted peaceful change for the Filipinos. Second, why was he shot to death? Jose Rizal was shot to death because of the Spanish government accused him of being against them. His writings inspired Filipinos, so the Spaniards saw him as a threat. Third, why is he our national hero? He is our national hero because he showed love for the country. He fought for freedom using his ideas and writings, not violence, and also he sacrificed inspired by the Filipino people.